I've never hired an attorney before. This is my first experience. I got lucky.
We started out not knowing where we were and very quickly moved from uncertainty to confidence to a result that we're super happy with.
You know, from meeting him that first time and at the office there, it was some of that hope came back.
Knowing that I could trust people to do what needed to be done was a big deal for me.
Just knowing he was there fighting for me.
I felt reassured to have them represent me throughout my case because I truly felt like they not only cared about the case, they also cared about me.
Southwest Michigan Injury Lawyers is a law firm. We work with people who've been through something rough and they're injured in some way, and we're trying to help them basically be able to get on with their lives.
We've each been doing this for at least 15 years. We're fierce advocates for our clients, and we make sure that the insurance company takes your claim seriously.
People who, are going through some of the worst things they've ever gone through in their life. And, when they first come to you, they don't know what to do. They don't know what not to do. And the first thing that they're basically looking for is just some answers and some certainty.
You're out of your depth. Never done this before. You don't know what to expect.
A little bit of anger that it happened when it didn't need to happen.
It was really weird and very uncomfortable. But it's like the more I talked to Bob, the less that stuff, affected me, I guess. I got this guy in my corner and he's gonna tear him up.
The insurance companies, they want to do two things. They want to collect premiums and not pay claims. They're going to drag it out as long as they can to try to make you get frustrated, give up, go away.
I did not know anything about this process going into it, so I was so thankful to have them to walk me through each step.
You just knew you could trust him, and you weren't afraid of someone misrepresenting what you wanted.
When you take things that are out of control and chaotic and you calm them down, you start controlling what's going on, that calms people down. And that's what Nate did for me.
Definitely relief or at ease, working with Bob. And it was just, it was nice to know the whole time that it was in, I guess, more skilled hands than mine,
Bob and I live in this community. And so we want to make sure that we're providing an experience and representation that we can be proud of when we do continue to have those interactions with these same people.
So we've got that small town feel. Southwest Michigan doesn't have big cities. It's not Chicago, it's not Detroit, but we do get big firm results. We are very dedicated to our clients. We do a really good job and have some great outcomes.
I really felt like they had my best interests at heart. One example of this is when a certain challenge arose, Nate right away said, "Remember, Mary, you do not have to continue if you don't want to. This is only if you want to." I think that made me feel much more reassured that my best interest was being taken into account, because this was after a year of work that Nate had put into this, and he still was willing to make sure that I knew that I could walk away at any moment.
No matter the outcome of the case, what I want for them is a sense of peace. Just, my story was told, I was heard, I was fairly compensated, and this is something that I can now put behind me and I can move forward with.